Hi, I'm Professor Valeri, and I'm going to show you through this video how to create your own Google Docs journal in the format in which we're going to be using them for this course. So you will probably recognize the page that you see on the screen. It's the home page for My Georgia Southern, and I'm going to log in as me. And I am going to go to My Apps. And from My Apps, I'm going to go to Documents, which is where all the Google documents are. As you can see here, I have quite a few files and quite a few collections. So I'm going to find the Advanced Fiction folder, but for you, I would like for you to go to your folder that you created for this class with your name and writing 5540, and you click on it, and then you click on Create New and New Document. This is a brand new Google Docs, and I'm going to click here to give my document the title. And what I prefer is that you call this with your name and then Journals Writing 5540. And there you have it. Now this is the document that you're going to access every time that you want to create a journal. So every time that you want to make a journal entry, I would request that you please write in the date. So, and then here you start your journal entry. I would like for everybody to follow the instructions for the content of the journal to be in the style that Robert Orland Butler recommends, which is to say to focus on the 5 ways in which we experience emotions. And except for entries when I actually ask for a specific assignment, whenever you do a journal entry, which you will have to do once a day for every day of the week, I would like for you to follow the instructions that Robert Orland Butler gives in his document. And that's it. And when you're done, you can click on Save, but as you can see, Google Doc saves it every few seconds, so this is done. Now if you've stored this in the right folder, this will be shared with me automatically, and you don't need to do anything else. But if for any reason, when you created the file, you made a mistake and you didn't click on your folder first, let me show you how you can change where to put the file. So I'm going to close this document for a while, and I am back in my Advanced Fiction folder. I'm going to click on Home, and what Home is going to do is it's going to show me all of the documents that I have in all of my different collections. As you can see, Google Docs shows you the documents that were modified the last time you opened it first, so very conveniently my document is right up here at the top. And say I want to move it to a different folder, I click on Action and I click on Organize, and it gives me all the different options that I have. And if you want to make the file appear in different folders, all you have to do is click all the different folders. Now important to remember is that even though you're saving it in different places, this is the same document, so any change you make to the document will be automatically changed in all the folders in which it is stored. If you want to have one file where you make changes and one file where you don't make changes, you will need to make a copy of the file and name it something else. So for these purposes, I don't think you will need to worry about that. So simply choose the folder in which you want it to appear and click on Apply Changes. And there you have it. Just to make sure that you're sharing with me, you might want to click on Share and Share Settings, and make sure that I appear and that I can actually edit so that I can give you comments if I need to. Thank you. And that is all.